जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. Dear students, I hope you all are fit and fine. So today we'll start our new chapter number 11, chemical effects of electric current. So what are the chemical effects of electric current? So what is current? Flow of charge per unit time is known as the current. So what are some chemical effects which current have? We'll study in this chapter. So we use electricity to run different things like fans, doorbells, heaters, bulbs and so on. These devices make use of different effects of electric current such as the magnetic effect and the heating effect. So you know that we use electricity to run different things like fans, doorbells, heaters, bulbs and so on. Can we imagine our life without electricity? No, we can't imagine our life without electricity. So these devices make use of different effects of electric current such as heating and magnetic. You know that whenever we charge our phone, it get heated. So electric current produce magnetic as well as heating effect. Another often used effect of electric current is its chemical effect. When electricity is passed through certain liquids, chemical changes take place. Some of these changes are useful to us. So when electricity is passed through certain liquids, so chemical changes take place. So some of the chemical changes are very useful to us. How do we pass electricity through a liquid? We put two electrodes in the liquid and apply a voltage across them. So how can we pass electricity through a liquid? We can pass electricity through a liquid with the help of the electrodes. So we put two electrodes in the liquid and apply voltage across them. This is a voltage. So battery is there. Battery provide a voltage. In a circuit, an electrode is a conductor that is in contact with a non-metallic thing like a liquid or a gas. So what is electrode? It is a conductor that is in contact with the non-metallic thing like a liquid or a gas. The electrode connected to positive terminal of battery is called the anode, and the electrode connected to a negative terminal of battery is known as the cathode. So positive terminal is known as the anode and negative terminal is known as the cathode. So this is we have an activity. So in this activity what we have taken three solutions: oil, distilled water and tap water. So we have battery, wires, LED and metal clips. So when we put these metal clips in a tap water, it will conduct electricity, but when we put this in the distilled water, it will not conduct electricity. So from this activity what we come to know that electricity can only be conducted when we dissolve some common salt in the distilled water. When we have some dissolved salt in the liquid, then we are able to conduct electricity through that liquid. So distilled water doesn't conduct electricity. Why? Because it don't have dissolved common salt in the distilled water. However, when you dissolve some common salt in the distilled water, the salt solution conduct electricity. Since tap water contains small amount of dissolved salt, it can conduct electricity. So as tap water has a small amount of dissolved salt, so it can conduct electricity. You will find that acid like vinegar and lemon juice and solution of bases like washing powder and baking soda conduct electricity. So tell me, what are acids? Acids are sour in taste and bases are bitter in taste. So as you know, as vinegar, lemon juice, these are the acids, and bases like washing powder and baking powder, these are the bases which are bitter in taste, so they conduct electricity. Why do acid and bases and salt conduct electricity? Why? Because The answer lies in that how different substances are made up and how a current flows through them. Because why acid and solution of bases and salt solution conduct electricity? The answer is because we come to know that how different substances are made up, how they are made up, and how a current flows through them. Is that clear? So next we will do in next video. Thank you and have a nice day.